Do you want to be able to fix TikTok Messenger not showing active friends? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here. And after that, you need to come to your profile. So now when you're on your profile, the next step after that should be to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we get a couple of options in here. But in here, we're actually going to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down in here. Keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem. Just going to load here for us, and perfect. Now we should be taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do now is to just simply scroll down, click on direct message in here, click on other, just going to load here, and then click on need more help. And perfect, now you should be able to be taken to this page right here. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the TikTok customer support, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this issue. So now I'm going to write like this to be able to make this work. I am having issues with the TikTok Messenger not showing active friends. I need this to be fixed. So basically, you need to write like this to them. I am having issues with the TikTok Messenger not showing active friends. I need this to be fixed. And then, of course, click on submit. Don't forget to click on submit. After that, you will need to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And hopefully, after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.